Alright guys, so I'm here at Nantasket Beach, and this is the Red Parrot restaurant, and it looks like they're doing a complete renovation. I'm not sure if it's going to be called the Red Parrot once the renovations are done, but check that out guys. Check out the crane. It's bringing some of the materials up there to renovate the deck in the upper section here. So Scotia Cranes Corporation out of Pembroke, Mass is doing the crane operation. So they've put some new windows in here, newly installed windows. So these three are new, and then there's a couple down there on the end. Completely gonna renovate this deck here. Those doors will completely open. Looks like they're renovating all the way upstairs. I'll give you a quick look around. Alright, so this is what it looks like from the other side. See the crane. So yeah, so it needed some work. Over here is a new restaurant that's just opened, Mambo's. Alright, so they're going to do a complete renovation of this building, and it needs it guys. It needs it. But when it's done, it'll look really nice. So this is a new window here. These two windows are brand new. And that middle window. Wow. Alright, so I don't know. I guess they're going to use these materials here. Doing a major job here. But that's what you have to do, you know, when you live on the beach like this, you know, restaurants that are right on the beach, they really have to have top quality food, top quality restaurant to draw in the customers. Alright, so I'll keep you updated on this. And I'll let you know. Hi.
How's it going?
Hi, good. How are you?
Good.
Just checking it out. You guys are doing the work on this?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to have a complete renovation.
Oh, I believe so, yeah.
Yeah, it'll look good when it's done.
It's going to look amazing.
Yeah. All right. You're doing good work.
All right, be safe.
All right, yep. Thank you. All right, guys, so just met some of the workers that are doing the renovation. It's going to look amazing. Alright guys, so I will keep you updated on this project. Stay tuned for the next video. Right now it's beige, but I'm not sure what the color will be at the end of this project. Alright guys, so I will catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. And maybe we'll just check out the beach here. Seeing that I'm still recording. Seeing that I'm down here, I might as well take a quick look at the ocean. Kind of spot. Park. Really beautiful day down here at Nantasket Beach, Hull, Massachusetts. Really, really nice. The weather is perfect. No wind. It's just glorious day at the world famous Nantasket Beach. Really beautiful beach. If you have a chance, be sure to come down here with your family, have lunch, and enjoy the sunrise and the sunset. So I don't see a lifeguard on duty here, but usually they have lifeguards, you know, that are on duty. So I'm not sure why there isn't one here. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it. I'll keep you updated on the Red Parrot project. Really, really nice. It's kind of a little overcast today. That's what the sky looks like, guys. Don't forget to look up. Really, really beautiful. Alright guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.